boy. Go boy. Don't tell a lie. Laging dinidinay.
Guys, may pulo mo ba yan? Nagwapo kita na una. Wala ito na sa pulo mo. Ito na, pasok. Dito na, sa tahapan.
You're here. 5,000 gihatag itits? Hi mga palangga, I'm back. Sorry kasi karon ako nakahatag update nyo pero medyo na busy ko gamay cause murag kinda ako yung nag-prepare sa mga things ganyan sa snacks. So this time, I'm going to tour you around there is a Dumanjug farm. If you have seen or watched my previous vlog, this one, makita nimo ang difference before and karon. Right, so I'm going to flip the camera mga palangga para ma-share na ko niyo how Dumanjug farm looks like this time, okay? So bye for now. Na si Mr. Bulakaw kana Mr. Pardo Bulakaw. Si Mr. Kuna tay Mr. Cebu nasa tay Mr. Old Cebu.
Mr. Vintage.
Mr. Vintage dayo. Diba? Swimming pa siya. So na may little pool mga palangga. So nagyan mig pool diri gamay. Yeah, there. Yeah. Dito mong kaming table. Of course. Yeah, si Miss Charis, si Mr. Ryan Lee. And this is the Dumanjug farm now. If you can remember, nag-tour ta around here. Wala pa to siya like totally kasagbutan pa, but now we have the mini pool now, look, and we have our kubo there. Later I'm going to make a tour, or I'm going to tour you there later. And yeah, so nami kaming siso dito, then kami katambayan dito, then later I'm going to tour you there po sa abong mga gamay lang kanang animals sa farm, right? So kita dito mga pala, kita ta dito. Where are you going, boy? See you there later. We're going to take a video with the goats, okay? Then you introduce your goats later, okay? Okay. So this is our kubo mga palangga. So there's our kitchen. Then our gamay tambayan. If you're going up, Mr. Lee is there. Then this is our mini veranda. Veranda ba ito gani?
Yes.
Then we have our extra bed. Para kung siya magtambay dire, you can do tambay. And our mini sala, we have sungka. That one. Then another mini sala here. Oh, na disarrange. There you go. Does it look like? Then if we're going to get inside the room, knock knock. So this is gonna be the room. So then look at the ceiling mga palangga. There you go. And that's gonna be the bed. Alright. Window. The other side of the room. So you have a TV, the fan. There you go. And the extra bed. So that's the room. That's how the room looks like. Right? So nice. Kagawas ni mo. That's the view mga palangga. Look. That's the whole farm. Not really the whole farm mga palangga, but muna overview sa mga farm. Hamong farm, nangangkun. So the mini sala 1 and the mini sala 2. Raiko's mat. Raiko can't live without this, and the extra bed for us. Right? So we're going to tour you around dito sa farm mo and see you there. So this time mga palangga, I'm going to bring you there na part sa farm. Dito, kung asa makita nimo among mga animals, mga nangangkunog mga na may goat dito and everything. And of course, they're cooking something. Hi.
Morning, Amy.
Hi.
Morning, Amy.
Muna ate Emmy. Let's cook. We're cooking barbecue. Ito. And flipping the camera mga palangga.
Morning, head.
Mas ko Naldo. So, muna ang ingon yung mga palangga. Sorry if medyo ngit-ngit na siya. But ating tour I'm going to bring you here tomorrow morning. That's our goat. Hi, goatie. So we have 1, 2, we have 4 goats. I don't know their names. Hi, goatie. Hi. Then, yeah. Still until there, mga palangga, same as before. But not going to bring you there na. Because it's very dark na. Right? So among rabbit na mo, wala pa diri among rabbit. Yan, aming mga ginagmayng kahoy. Go. So gamayng katanuman o kaputasan o mga vegetable farm diri dapita, but not really pagid siya kaayo. Kasi again, it's still new. Right? Yeah, so sorry mga palangga if medyo dark na kasi medyo ngit-ngit na. It's 6:09 na sa kagabion. But nothing tour tomorrow. I'm going to tour you around again sa farm. Right? And I'm going to introduce to you the goats. Right? So look at the back. That's the kubo. So nice, right? And of course, wala pa tayo muna tour sa ubos. So that's our small tent which karon lang yun mag-put up. And then the mini pool. And that's Ate Odessa and her daughter. Hi. Yeah, then sa ubos nga part. Na may gamay nga kaning what do you call that one? Swing, seesaw, or I don't know. That one. Seesaw. I don't know. Basta. Then may rocking chair, another rocking chair there. Which if magigda ka dira, mo tayo mo overview. Review mo lang. Right? Then our kitchen. Let's go. Gonna be our dining table. Then yeah, that's Ate Trace cooking our dinner. So medyo messy ang kitchen mga pala nga. It's the country stuff. Imagine we're going to stay here for 3 days. So daghan siya kaming stuff kapang bit-bit. Right? So nothing to worry again. I'm going to give you a tour sa balay or sa farm again tomorrow mga palangga nga medyo hayag siya. Right? So, bye for now.